There's two main things I want to cover. There's a bunch of new forms that were rolled out by Honolulu Board of Realtors today, from the purchase contract to the buyer's agreement form, as well as the listing contract. There's also some news in the insurance and condo market that I've been covering. Another significant change is in K3 of the purchase contract, which provides a clearer process for dealing with encroachments. So that's particularly interesting because, of course, in Hawaii, there's complex land boundaries. The buyer's agreement has rolled out from HBR, and depending upon the brokerage. And there's some touring agreements as well as buyer agreements. So make sure you know what you are signing at the very onset. Listing agreement has changed, and there is a section for brokers' commissions. So please pay particular attention to that, affecting our market as well as other markets across the country. So about 400 condos in Hawaii are currently carrying less than 100% insurance. This is alarming because, of course, if there is something that happens, there might not be enough funds to rebuild. What is really affecting us right now is the ripple effect. Without full coverage, many buyers can find it difficult to secure mortgages, which could slow down the market and even decrease property values. And let's see what Jack Smythe has to say from Bank of Hawaii at the downtown office. And let's see what Kevin Sumimoto from the Kailua Guarantee Rate Office has to say. All things real estate on your girl.